Let's see how we can make a game-ready asset, shall we? We start off with the modeling. I used curves for the forged metal parts, then I added some thickness, a square profile for the curve, and play around with the shapes until it looks cool. Something like this. Select everything, add it to a collection. I keep this as a backup. It's always a good idea to have a backup. You might need to reuse parts. I duplicate the collection and now I can use this to create a high poly. Here I'm just converting all of the curves to mesh and then join them together using the boolean function. For this I decided to sculpt just the lantern and the wall fixture. Making some janky art deco shapes, I guess. And then I retopologized the low poly, which took me about 1,000,000 years, and now it's ready to be unwrapped. Some parts of the model, like the lamp for example, I could get away with just smart UV project, so I didn't need to add seams, but for the metal parts I needed to add a few seams so it would unwrap okay. I use an add-on called UV Packer. It's free and it's really easy to use. Basically it does the packing for you. One more thing before we export, because I have an area of high detail on the glass of the lamp, I am going to select just the faces, unwrap them again and scale them a little bigger. I am making sure that the smaller parts are small in the UV also, so they don't take up space. Then I click pack again and we're ready. Next we select the low poly and export it as an FBX, then the high poly, the same. Now let's open Substance, import the low poly, then we go to texture set settings, click on bake mesh maps, import our high poly and then click bake textures. Now we can go crazy on texturing. I use the stylize filter again for this one. This is my second time using it and I kinda like it. It has a ton of options to play with and speeds up the process. I think I will use it a lot for background props. Then I painted the glass of the lamp in bright colors, sort of like a stained glass window. I exported the maps from Substance for Unreal Engine Packed, which gives you diffuse map, normal map, or EM map, which basically has the metallic roughness and ambient occlusion maps all meshed together. And for this particular prop, an emission map as well. And this is what it looks like. See you next time!